Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build 22624.1690, which is released to the beta channel. As a reminder, insiders previously on build 22623 will automatically get moved to build 22624 via an enablement package. The enablement package artificially increments the build number for the update, with new features getting rolled out and turned on to make it easier to differentiate from devices, with the update with features off by default. Insiders who landed in the group with new features turned off by default build 22621 can check for updates and choose to install the update that will have features rolling out build 22624. Starting with this build, and talking about what's new in this build. Firstly, we have new Facebook widget. Facebook is rolling out a preview version of their widget. To give it a try, download the Facebook app from the Microsoft Store or update to the latest version of the app. Then open the widgets board and navigate to the widgets picker by clicking the plus button at the top right of the board to pin your widget. Moving forward, and talking about the changes and improvements in build 22621.1690 and build 22624.1690. In general, Microsoft is trying out providing alerts under Settings, Accounts, advising users to add a recovery email address or phone number to their Microsoft account to ensure they never lose access to their account. For Start menu, Microsoft is trying out a small change with some Windows insiders where the recommended section of the Start menu is changed to For You. Moving forward, and talking about the fixes in build 22624.1690. For input, made another fix for the underlying crash impacting the ability to launch the touch keyboard, pin entry on the login screen. For notifications, fixed another 2FA code pattern which wasn't being recognized. For Task Manager, did some work to help address an issue that was causing random processes to sometimes get grouped under Microsoft Edge even though they weren't related. Fixed an issue impacting Task Manager reliability. The search icon should be easier to see now when using a contrast theme. Made the navigation pane a bit narrower. As part of this change, when necessary, the text will be wrapped now. The creation of the live kernel memory dump file submenu has access keys now. Pressing enter when the keyboard focuses on one of the sections, like memory, in the performance page should now actually switch sections. Also, resizing Task Manager from the top of the window should work now. So that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.